How to turn on the heating system on Combi boiler. Let's see what Combi boilers are like in Azerbaijan. This is the Combi in my current home. I am showing this as an example. Start the boiler by moving the power switch to on. With the regulator on the left side, you can control the heating system. For example, if you turn it clockwise, the heating system will turn on. In summertime, we put it in summer mode. In winter, we put it in minimum level. So you see, the heating showing is increasing. And the regulator on the right side is for heating water, which is used all year round. And most importantly, ensure that you have enough credits to your gas meter. This is the basic system for turning on the heating system as far as I know from coming to a country with winter. Thank you.